Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and I've done a lot of non-alcoholic beer reviews before, but a style I haven't done is a nitro. So let's check out Guinness's Zero. So today we're going to be checking out a non-alcoholic version of a beer that is so famous they made a holiday about it with a tiny little green man. And green beer, right? I think that's how it came about. Don't fact check me on that. So we're going to be checking out Guinness Zero, a non-alcoholic nitro-infused stout. Let's check it out. This beer comes in at a 0.5% ABV, a 28 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.14. To create Guinness 0.0, the St. James Gate Brewery started by brewing Guinness exactly as they always have, using the same natural ingredients, water, barley, hops, and yeast, before gently removing the alcohol through a cold filtration method. The cold filtration process allows the alcohol to be filtered out without presenting thermal stress to the beer, protecting the integrity of its taste and character. The brewers then carefully blend and balance the flavors to ensure the distinctive flavor profile and taste characteristics of Guinness. The resulting product is a stout that is unmistakably Guinness, just without the alcohol. Featuring the same dark ruby red liquid and a creamy head, hint of chocolate and coffee. Okay, I will say it looks like a Guinness. Smells like a Guinness. It's dark like a Guinness. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, doesn't quite taste like Guinness, but it's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty darn good. Really, it is. It's not quite Guinnessy. There is kind of almost a sweeter, maltier flavor to this than Guinness. But wow, this tastes really darn good. Like, I would drink this no problem with anything. Body is probably the same consistency as Guinness. I always found Guinness to be quite thin. Everyone always thinks it's this thick, big, rich beer. It's actually not. It's the head that's really thick. That nitro gives it this really creaminess. This has that head, but that's because of the nitro. There is this very light, sweet malt flavor at the very beginning with this roasty coffeeness. And that sweetness and roasty coffeeness kind of tastes a little artificial. They talked about adding things to the process to make it taste like Guinness. This even says malt beverage with natural flavors. So yeah, kind of an interesting thing. Another thing to point out too, this actually isn't even a true pint because of the widget inside here, which contains the nitrogen gas. It's a little plastic ball right about this big. This is actually only 14.9 ounces. So it takes up just a hair over an ounce. So you're not getting that full pint. But they are saying a serving size is technically 12 ounces. So, but this comes in at 60 calories, protein 1.5 grams, carbohydrates 13.5. Interesting fact about Guinness, a pint of it is actually less calories than a pint of orange juice. But no, back to this beer. This is good. I actually really enjoy this. This is one of the better stouts. If this wasn't even nitro, just plain stouty beer, I would enjoy it. So if you're looking for a non-alcoholic beer option, but you're kind of tired of the traditional ones you might see at your local mega grocery store, I'm usually referring to like O'Doul's, or now it's Budweiser Zero, which honestly I think is not too bad for what it is. But you're like, I want just something different than a lager. Now there are a lot of craft beer options out there, so go check those out, but they're probably not gonna be at your local grocery store, mind you. And a lot of them too aren't stouts. they're usually going to be a pale ale or an IPA or a Pilsner. That's usually what they carry. So if you're looking for something darker, and if you're looking to celebrate St. Patrick's Day and hoping you don't wake up on someone's floor, wondering where you are, why there's a weird green bearded man sleeping next to you, get a zero. You won't be chasing that rainbow hangover the next day. This might just be that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Cheers. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. The links for that will be at the very bottom of the description. You ever get to try Guinness Zero before? What non-alcoholic beers do you like? How many of them are stouts or nitro stouts? Let me know, because I'd love to try another non-alcoholic nitro stout. Let me know in the comments below. See you guys.